Hey Xavier, how are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. Talked to you earlier today. Like I said, I wanted to send you this free video, just 3 tips and tricks about some ways on how you can improve your online presence. Obviously, if you want to use these yourself, feel free. I would like to talk to you if you have any questions or if you'd like to talk further about anything. But without further ado, I'll jump right in. I want to talk about 3 things. First, we'll talk about content. Number 2, we're going to talk about citations. And number 3, we'll talk about backlinks. So some of this you may know, some of this might sound like a foreign language. But like I said, either way, if nothing else, if you can just leave me some sort of feedback on this video, I really would appreciate it. But first, content. Obviously, have your website pulled up. Really nice. I love these images. You've got a lot of great pictures on your website. But the first thing, about content when it comes to Google is you want to have, this is kind of an unwritten rule with Google, is you want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. Okay, so you've got obviously some great pictures, and that does count as content, but you have, maybe a couple hundred words on your homepage. So I know 1,500 words might sound like a lot, but it's really not at the end of the day. This is what we do. So, and it's what Google uses to, when their bots are scrolling websites day in and day out, it's what they give authority to, and it's what the sites that they give authority to have that kind of content on their website. So that's number one. That would make a huge difference in you being found for different search terms. One other tip that I would give you on all these images. So when we talk content, it's these, all these words, but it's also your, how you have pictures tagged. So when I go to one of these, this first picture here, and we do a save image as, I'll show you what I mean. This comes up as photo_000. That's how the picture's saved. You want to have that saved as a buyer intent keyword. Okay, so for instance, Tree Service, Missouri City, Texas. Okay, and that again will give, Google sees that, they see that you do business in that area, and you're going to get authority and power to your website because of that. So that's just a little side tip, if you will, not part of the 3 tips that I was planning on, but I just saw that when I was looking through your stuff here. So number 2, let's talk about citations. I think that what I did here was put in Tree Service, Missouri City, Texas. That's a buyer intent keyword, right? Somebody goes to Google and they type that in. They live in or around Missouri City and they need their trees worked on. So that's a buyer intent keyword. People are looking for your services. So again, the first thing folks are going to see when they come to this on the first page are these ads. And, whether you've done ads or not, they can be good. We do a lot of successful Google ad campaigns. But at the end of the day, sometimes that can be a little frustrating, and, let's be straightforward. It costs money, right? So what we really focus on is the organic results. And as you can see here, and as I saw here, is you're in this Google Map Pack. So you're doing a great job there. Whoever did that for you, or if you did that yourself, you're doing good. And that's where citations comes into play. So you always want to be in this Google Map Pack, especially for your local area. I'm sure you get a good amount of business because of this, so that's fantastic. All a citation is, and either, you may know this, you may not. All a citation is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed in Google on directories. So directories are anywhere from your homeadvisor.com profile, your Facebook page, Angie's, all those different directories. You want to make sure that you have those and you stay in this Google Map Pack. So what we do is we make sure that you're signed up for these citations as well, and then we double down and we get you a lot more citations to make sure you stay here, because you don't want to lose this spot. So that's citations, and like I said, it looks like you're checked off good there. Finally, the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Okay, and so this is obviously, so the next thing folks are going to do when they're scrolling past this, they're going to see the Google Map Pack here, which is great. And then they're going to scroll down and look for the local companies, the local tree services that are on this first page. Nobody's going past the first page of Google. That's just kind of I think everybody knows that, right? So we want to be on this first page. And, you see the Yelp directory here. You see the Angie's. not a lot of folks are going to click on these, and they're looking for the local business, right? So we look for the first, local business here. I saw eddiestreeservice.com. Not sure if you know them as a competitor, but they're on the first page. So what I wanted to do was kind of show you how we look at the backlinks. And backlinks, all a backlink is your website URL. So as we see here, CIRtreeservices.com. So I put that in, and what I'm able to do is kind of see what's good, what's bad, what's working, and what's not with your website. And so as you can see here, you have 8 backlinks. So that's a relatively low number. We don't have a lot of information. There's no data showing up for the power of your website. So we can definitely improve those things with more backlinks, and not even more backlinks, because a lot of people just say, I need more backlinks to get more power. That's not necessarily true. Not every backlink is created equal. So we want to get you the right backlinks, and the right backlinks are going to power you to have more organic keywords here. See, you're ranking for only 4 organic keywords from your website. Let me give you an example of the competition. So I put in Eddie's Tree Service here, right? Again, not great numbers here in terms of the power of the website. I won't really go into what these numbers mean, but just it's the power and popularity of their site. And this is a scale out of 100, so it's pretty low. A little bit higher than yours. They've got 25 backlinks. So again, not a ton of backlinks here, but they've got the right backlinks, because look at this. They are ranking for 82 different keywords. So when we punch into these keywords just to see, what they're ranking for, I want to give you an idea of kind of what that means, right? So here you go. Second keyword on this list is Tree Service Sugarland. I know Sugarland's near Missouri City. I'm sure you do a lot of business out that way. But I'll show you kind of what I mean. So this is the keyword, Tree Service Sugarland. This right here is the volume. So that means that exact keyword is being searched 50 times per month. Now, with that said, what that's bringing them 8 click-throughs to their website for that keyword. So that's probably, anywhere from, 5 to 8 customers per month just from that one keyword. The next one, Sugarland Tree Service. Again, 50, and they're getting 6 click-throughs to their website to fill out a form submit, give them a call, whatever that may be. And why is that? Because they're ranked on the first page of Google. So Xavier, I hope that helps. I hope you get something out of this video. Like I said, I would, I'd love to talk to you further, kind of about, the growth of your company and bringing you more customers. So I hope you liked the video. Please leave me some feedback, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks a lot.